Most spoken languages in the world 2024. Want English 1.5 billion worldwide business, education. Global communication. 2 Mandarin 1.1 billion China largest native speakers. Global business impact. 3 Hindi 600 to million India dominant in India. Useful for travel. For Spanish 548 million South and Central America. Second most spoken native language. 5 French 274 million worldwide rich in culture arts. And international diplomacy. 6 Arabic 274 million Middle East and North Africa. Diverse dialects important in Islamic culture. 7 Bengali 273 million Bangladesh. India rich literature. Significant in South Asian arts. 8 Russian 258 million Russia, Eastern Europe. Literary contributions. Important in diplomacy. 9 Portuguese 258 million Brazil, Portugal. Africa influential in music, literature, and sports. 10 Urdu 231 million Pakistan, India rich in poetry and cultural traditions.